Good morning, guys. Hope you are safe and sound. This is where we spent our first night. This is the outside, and you may notice the boat has changed colour because we had issues with the first one. So let's give you a quick walk around. This is where we spent the first night, or second night I should say. We spent the first night actually in the marina. This is down on the River Thurn. We're going to be heading down to Great Yarmouth today. So coming into the boat, this is our shower stroke toilet. The head. This is my room, or cabin as you'd like to call it. And then we come through here. This is what we call our storeroom. This would normally be the double berth, and there's all our fishing tackle, our food, our fishing rods, and Nick's clothes. The galley, full berth, full cooker. There's the fridge, sink, more food. In under there, well, that's garbage, that's rubbish. Under that box there is where the engine is. All our crockery is down here, and this is the saloon, and that is Nick. Say hello, Nick.
Hello.
That's Nick, and this is where Nick is sleeping. The cockpit, the main area, and then we have the very front. Well, there you go, guys. Just a short update of where we are. We're going to be heading down to Yarmouth today. We're actually going to go across a bit of water called Braden Water, and we'll catch you on the other side. See you later.